Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed Global FinTech Fest in Mumbai today. He also laid the foundation stone of Vadhavan Port project in Palghar. Post-mortem report reveals Bangladesh Awami League functionary Ishaq Ali Khan Panna was trolled to death. Meghalaya Assembly officially notified Trinamool Congress leader and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma as the leader of opposition and Ronnie V. Lingdo as the opposition chief whip. In US Open tennis, the Indian-Australian duo of Rohan Bopanna and Matthew Ibden won their men's doubles opening match. At the Paris Paralympics, the Indian mixed compound archery team of Sheetal Devi and Rakesh Kumar set a new Paralympic record with a combined score of 1,399.